Today I am here to explain about Roman numbers. Let's get into the class. Did you know this? Okay, I will explain you. I value xylophone. IVX means 1, 5 and 10. You should remember this. I value xylophone means 1, 5 and 10. Today I am teaching to you 1 to 10. First we should learn 1, 2 and 3. Once we should want to expand form. Once expanding form is 1. That's equals to I. Let's move on to 2. 2's expanding form is 1 plus 1 equals to I. Let's move on to 3. 3's expanding form is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to I and I. Let me explain again. One's expanding form is 1 is equals to 1I. 2's expanding form is 1 plus 1. Let me explain again. In Roman numbers, let me explain it again. In Roman numbers, 1 is equals to I. Let's go to 2. 2's expanding form is 1 plus 1 is equals to I. Let's go move on to 3. 3's expanding form is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to I and I. I taught you till 1, 2 and 3. Let's move to 4. 4's expanding form is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Is this right? No, not at all. This is wrong. In previous, I have learned you Earth's top secret code. Don't tell. That is I, V and X is equals to I value xylophone 1, 5 and 10. 4's expanding form is 5 minus 1. 5 is equals to V. V minus 1 is equals to I. Smaller number should be in left. Bigger number should be in right. The 4 is I, V. Let's move on to 5. In Roman numbers, 5 is equals to V. Let's move on to 6. equals to V. 5's value is V and 1's value is I. Let's move on to 7. First, let's write expanding form. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5's value is V. V. 1's value is I. We want to write 2 times I. I. Let's move on to 8. 8's expanding form is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5's value is V. V. And 5's value is V. V. We want to write I 3 times. I and I. This is equals to 8. Let's move on to 9. Last Roman number of the day is 10. 10's Roman number is xylophone. That means X. 10's Roman number is X. Let's move on to quick revision. 1's expanding form is 1. I. 2's expanding form is 1 plus 1. I. Let's move on to 3. 3's expanding form is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is I. 4. 5 minus 1. Always smaller number should be in left and greater number in right. Let's move on to 5. 5 is V. 6. 6 expanding form is 5 plus 1. That is VI. 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is VII. 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's equals to VII. 9. 9's expanding form is 10 minus 1. Always smaller number should be in left and greater number should be in right. 10's Roman number is X. I think you all enjoyed my class. If you like this class, like, comment, share, subscribe.